Hello everyone, Habib here. In this multiplayer tutorial, I will show you something that we need to do here. If I join the multiplayer game and if I see another player, there is player nickname being displayed above the other player's character or object, but that text is not facing toward me, so I cannot see it clearly. Here also, if I see that player here, I cannot read the text clearly. So we need something to make those text always facing towards the player's camera. So we need to add this script to this canvas object here inside player character, but I need to add another game object here. Create empty game object, and I will place it here facing camera, and I will place this canvas inside this object, but I need to rotate it. The blue arrow is the front side, so I need to rotate the canvas this way. Then I'm going to add a tag for this facing camera object. Let's say we make a tag called facing camera. Okay, and then apply the tag to this object. Now I need to create a script here. I will call it face toward me, and I need to attach this script to the camera, player's camera. I don't know which one is the camera object of this. Hang on a second. Where is the camera object of the player character? Oh, I think here is the camera. Alright, so I will attach the script to this camera, face towards camera, face toward me, and let me edit the script here on the, maybe here I make public game object. Oh, no. Here inside the update, I will add a for each statement for each game object. Go in find game objects with tag. The tag was, what was the tag? Facing camera. facing camera, and then every object inside this, every game object with this tab should be transform go.transform look at the current object, which is the camera, transform position, and game objects with that. Oh, hang on, let me find game object with tag, find game object with tag. Okay, let's go back. Then I need to build the game to check, to test it. Okay, let's play the game on the editor. Let's play. And then here the desktop. Okay, 2. Let's play. Oh, it's not working. Let me check. The main camera is here. What if I disable this main camera? No camera's rendering. Oh, I think I forgot to attach the script to the camera. No, it's here already. Hang on a second. One. Let's play. We have this main camera, and where is the my script is not here, so wait a minute. Yeah, the problem is my script is not here in the main camera. Why? If I add the script here on runtime, I don't know, is it going to work or not? Restart me, and now you can see the script is working. That text, the character's nickname, is facing towards me. But the problem is I don't know why my script disappeared from this main camera object. Maybe the Photon script that came with the example example files, make it disappear from the main camera, so I don't know. There is a text here, my own nickname, being displayed above me. That one I should hide it, so I don't want to see my own nickname here. So let me go to stop the game. Player character, network transformer. I will edit this. No. Here, the text. I will edit this script. Show my nickname. In the start function, I will add design using Fusion and change this behavior to network behavior, just like this. And on the start, I will add an if statement. If has state authority true, game object set active false. Okay, let me check. Is it going to work to hide my own nickname in the game? Let's play. Okay, now I cannot see my own nickname because it is hidden. It is hidden. The text is hidden. What if I run the game from another player? Let's play. Alright, there is the script, there is the nickname. I can see that nickname, but here I can see that nickname, but I won't see my own nickname here. Just one problem, that is my script that I have made for this main camera is not appearing here on the scene. Why is it freezing? And I got an error there. Okay, never mind. Just I will continue the video on my next video. I will continue this tutorial on my next video, and I will find out what was the problem here and come back to you soon. Okay, bye bye.